Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Trisha. Today I'm going to be decorating my fireplace mantle for Halloween. I'll do a step-by-step tutorial so that you guys can see how I put this together. So I am doing the same garland that I did in my fall video. So if you want to just fast forward through this part, go right ahead. I'm just going to kind of move these around so they're going in all different directions. Next, I've got this one. I'm just going to lay this on the top of this and weave it in and out. So all these garland pieces that I have here, I got from Joann's after fall last year. So I got them for a really good deal. So these here, I've got 3 picks and I'm just gonna layer here on the side of the fireplace. Got these little eyeball looking stems that I got from Hobby Lobby. I'm just gonna add these in. Add one more of these little eyeball things to the vase. Got 2 of these little stems from Hobby Lobby also, and these are also from Hobby Lobby if I didn't mention that before. I like the way that looks. Super cute. There it is so far. Let's go ahead and keep adding to it. And that is all for my Halloween fireplace mantle. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please hit that subscribe and like button so that you can get notified when I have more videos out like this. There's going to be many more Halloween videos. Also, you're going to want to stick around for the Christmas videos. We're going to have tons of those. We're going to be doing Festival of Trees. I've also got some tree kits that I'm going to be putting together, so you won't want to miss those. So we'll see you guys soon. Thanks again for watching. Bye, guys.